Jai Sriman
Rama is not getting any kind of anger. He is now saying to Kaikamma, Amma, Naha Mardha Devi Lokama Vastu Mutsahe Vidhi Mam Rushibhistulyam Kevalam Dharmamasthitam. Amma, Kaikamma, I do not crave for any wealth. I do not crave for any luxuries. I do not crave for any pleasures. Even after all the citizens of Ayodhya comes and asks me to stay back, I would not stay back. I am just telling you one more time. Amma Kaikamma, as and how Rishis, great sages, live in the forest only for the sake of the righteousness, I am also holding my righteousness so tightly, I would not get shaken from their righteousness. Dharmam, Rishibhihi, Dharmam Asthitam. Dharmam is only my wealth. Amma, don't worry. If my father says something for me to do, if there is a chance that I would have to give up my life for that, definitely prananapi parityajya sarvadha krutameva tat. I would definitely make sure whatever the work is asked for me to do by my father, first I will make sure that work is done, only then I would die. To that extent I am giving you a word, and to that extent I am assuring that I would definitely go to Dandakaranyam. Right now I will go to Dandakaranyam. Like that, Rama repeatedly had Kaikamma believe in Rama. Rama is now saying to Kaikeyi Mata, "Oh Mata, I don't wait until my father Dasharatha Maharaju orders me to go to forest. You told me, you ordered me, that is enough for me. Amma, I will go to Dandakaranyam and live there for 14 years. Oh Mata, in fact, you really have more authority than my father to order me to go to forest and tell me that you are going to be doing Bharata Pattabhishekam. But you did not do that. You said on behalf of Raja, on behalf of my father, you are telling me to do this. You didn't have to do that, Amma. I realized that you did not understand my virtues and you did not understand the amount of respect that I have towards you. Oh Mata Kaikeyi, now I am leaving. I would like to go to my mother, Kausalya. I would like to go to Sita, my wife, and tell them and console them. And then today itself I will leave from here. I will go to Dandakaranyam. Oh Kaikeyi Mata, please give me permission to go to my mother and to go to my wife and tell them, please. And then Rama adding to this, saying that, oh Mata Kaikeyi, Bharata will be the king of this kingdom. I am requesting you to have Bharata pay more attention to take care of my father Dasharatha Maharaju. With so much of affection and tenderness, when Rama said like this, Dasharatha Maharaju was lying right there on the ground. He immediately burst out and cried so much, cried loudly. Then Rama went to his father, touched his feet. Ramaha vanditva charanau ramo Rama did touch the feet of his father and did namaskaram. After that Rama did padabhivandanam to Kaikamma. Sa Ramaha pitaram krutva Kaikeyincha pradakshinam. Rama did pradakshinam to his father and then Kaikeyi, and from there he is now coming out of that Antahpuram. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you.
కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.